There's a lot of buzz around Bitcoin, a lot of headlines, and a lot of opinions. So, let's cut through the noise and get to the heart of it. What is Bitcoin, really? At its core, it's digital money. Think of it this way. Imagine your cash, those physical bills, but instead, it lives online, existing purely in the digital realm. You can't physically hold a Bitcoin, there's no coin to grasp, but you can own it, and you can spend it, and send it across the world, just like regular money. Bitcoin was the very first cryptocurrency, the pioneer in this digital financial space. It's a new kind of money designed specifically for the internet age, built for our increasingly connected world. Think about how you already use money digitally every single day. Venmo, debit cards, online shopping. Bitcoin takes that concept a step further, revolutionizing the way we handle online transactions. It's cash born for the web, existing purely as code, not controlled or regulated by any central bank or government entity. The big idea behind Bitcoin? To send money directly to anyone, anywhere in the world instantly, without a middleman like a bank or payment processor. No banks, no approvals needed, no waiting days for transfers to clear. Imagine sending digital cash securely and instantly to your cousin across the country in minutes, even during Thanksgiving, with no one taking a cut in the form of hefty transaction fees. That's the power and the promise of Bitcoin. It's peer-to-peer, global in its reach, and open to everyone with an internet connection. It's a simple idea at its core that's fundamentally changing how we think about money and its potential. So let's dive deeper and see how it actually works under the hood. So, how does Bitcoin actually work? What keeps it secure? The answer? Blockchain, a public ledger like a giant shared notebook. Every Bitcoin transaction is recorded for all to see, making it transparent and tamper-proof. Picture a digital piggy bank. When you send Bitcoin, it's announced to the whole network. Powerful computers verify every transaction, ensuring you can't spend the same coin twice. Once verified, transactions are locked in forever, no one can change the record. Your Bitcoin lives in a digital wallet protected by a unique address and a secret key. As long as you keep your key safe, only you control your money. It's a revolutionary system, secure, transparent, and puts you in charge. Why is everyone talking about Bitcoin? What's all the buzz about? It seems like everywhere you turn, someone is mentioning it. First, and this is a big one, there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin. That's a hard limit, coded into its very core. That's it. No more can be made, ever. It's a finite resource in the digital world. This scarcity is like digital gold, a fixed supply in a world of increasing demand, making it attractive to people worried about inflation and the devaluation of traditional currencies. Unlike dollars or euros or yen, no central bank or government can simply print more Bitcoin, diluting its value. So it can't be devalued the same way that traditional currencies can be through inflation. Bitcoin is also decentralized. It operates on a network spread across the globe. No single bank or government controls it, giving it a level of independence that's appealing to many. You can send money anywhere in the world, anytime, 24/7, without permission or borders, making it a truly global currency. For people in unstable economies where local currencies are volatile, that's a lifeline, offering a more stable alternative. Plus, the blockchain tech behind Bitcoin, the distributed ledger that records all transactions, is opening doors to new innovations beyond money, from supply chain management to digital identity. Some see investing in Bitcoin, even with its volatility, as getting in early on a world-changing technology, like investing in the internet in the early 90s. It's about financial freedom, taking control of your own assets, and a bet on the future, a belief in a decentralized digital world. But is it safe? What are the risks involved? Let's talk about that. Bitcoin has captured the world's attention, but a crucial question remains for anyone considering diving in. Is Bitcoin safe, and should you invest? It's a question that requires careful consideration. The underlying technology, the blockchain itself, is highly secure. It's designed to be resistant to tampering and fraud. It's a distributed ledger system that has, to date, never been successfully hacked. This inherent security is a major draw for many. However, the real risk isn't necessarily with the Bitcoin network itself, but rather with how you, as an individual, store your Bitcoin. To mitigate these risks, it's essential to use trusted wallets and exchanges that have a proven track record of security. Most importantly, protect your secret key, also known as your private key, like it's the key to a treasure chest. But remember this critical point: Bitcoin's price swings wildly. It's known for its volatility. Due to this volatility, you could gain a significant amount of money, but you could also lose money just as fast. Therefore, never invest more than you can realistically afford to lose without impacting your financial stability. Start small, with an amount you're comfortable with, and learn as you go, gaining experience and knowledge. Fortunately, buying Bitcoin is easier now than ever before, thanks to user-friendly platforms. Many apps, like Coinbase for example, let you buy even a fraction of a Bitcoin, making it accessible to everyone. You absolutely don't need to buy a whole coin to get started. You can start with as little as $20 if you want to dip your toes in. It's important to remember that Bitcoin isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, and you should approach it with realistic expectations. Instead, view it as a new and evolving way to think about money and the future of finance. If you're curious and intrigued, keep learning and exploring. There's a vast amount more to discover about this fascinating technology. Thanks for watching this introductory guide, and a warm welcome to the ever-evolving world of Bitcoin.